Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with the subject Science Ahead, and the name of the lesson is Plant Life. So, before we start, I would like to ask you all a few questions. So, my first question is, what do you see in this picture? Yes, they are trees. Now, you must be going to the garden. You can see different kinds of trees. Yes? When you see outside your house also, you can see everywhere trees. Yes or no? Yes. Now children, my second question is, do they all look same? Now when I showed you the two pictures of the trees, were they all looking same? No, they all were different. Do they have same shape and size? Are they all looking same like each other? No. Are they same tall in height? No. Some are tall and some are short. Yes. So they are not same in size and shape. They are all different in shape and size. Now first we are going to study about trees. Now what are trees? Trees are the biggest plants. They are not small, they are very big. They are very tall and strong. They have hard and thick stem. They are of different shapes and sizes. They live for many years. Now can you see the picture, children? This is the picture of the stem of the tree. Can you see? What is the color of the stem? It is brown. When you touch this stem of the tree, it is very hard. It is not soft like cotton. It is very hard and thick. It is fat in size. It is thick. This is the stem of the tree. It is called as the trunk. What it is called? It is called as the trunk of the tree. It is hard and thick. How is the stem of the tree? It is hard and thick. What is the other name of the stem? It is trunk of the tree. Okay. Now let's see what else the tree has. Yes, the tree has many branches. Can you see? It looks like the tree is having so many hands. Yes, they are the branches. Now what is there on the branches? There are many leaves on the branches. The leaves grow on the branches. Different birds sit on the branches. There are also monkeys who sit on the branch. Let's see which examples are there. This is the coconut tree. Can you see how tall the coconut tree is? The shape and the size of the coconut tree? Yes, see how the leaves are there? It has many branches also. Now look at this tree. Now which tree is this? This is the banyan tree. Can you see how thick it is? The stem or the trunk of the tree is so fat. It is so thick and hard. There are many branches and the tree is very tall. Now let's learn about shrubs. Now what are shrubs? We learnt about trees. Now trees are very big, but the shrubs are the small plants. They are smaller than the trees. How are they? They are smaller than the trees. They are also called as bushes. They live for a short time. They don't live as long as the trees, but they live only for a few years. Here are some examples of shrubs. Rose plant and the cotton plant. They are small in size and they live for some years. Okay. These are the two examples of shrubs. Shrubs are the small plants. Rose is a small plant. Cotton plant is also a small plant. They also look like bushes. Okay. Now let's see herbs. Now what are herbs? Herbs are also the small plants. Their stems are soft and green. They live for few months. Now children, we learnt about trees, they live for many years. We learnt about shrubs, they live for some years. But herbs, they live only for few months. Here are two herbs, coriander and mint. They are the two herbs which your mummy must be using in the kitchen. They are used for cooking food. Can you see? They are all green in color. Their stem is green and soft. When you touch the stem of the coriander and mint, it is very soft and green. Now we'll study about climbers. Now what are climbers? Climbers are the plants which climb and grow with the support of the stick or the wall. They have a thin and weak stem. They cannot stand on their own like the trees, the shrubs or the herbs. So they need what? They need the support of the wall or the stick to grow in size. Okay? They are very weak. They cannot stand on their own. Here are the two examples of climbers. Money plant. Can you see the money plant in the pot? It is having a support of the stick. Yes, and the thread is tied to the leaves so that it can stand. Otherwise, it will fall down. Now, can you see the next example? It is a grapevine. Now, grapevine, you all love to eat grapes? Yes, the grapevine is a climber. Can you see how the grapes are hanging? Can you see how it is crawling and climbing up to the stick? Yes, it is also a climber. So,